This is cabin 9233. This is a prime veranda. Now, prime basically means, well, it basically means that you're in the center of the ship. So what I like to do, since it's just sort of a regular balcony cabin, which we'll show you, the prime just is giving you location. And so you see that there's the back of the ship that way and the front of the ship that way. So we're sort of really close to the middle, and they call this a prime balcony or a prime veranda. All right, so there is your sofa, which is currently made up to be a bed. You do have a coffee table that can move around. Across from this, your TV, your little desk area. This is where all your power is. Your two US, one European, no USB. Mini fridge, safe, and some drawers. And you do have a nice comfortable chair there, right? Mirror. The bed, this is a king-size bed when together, or two twins when separated. As you can see, Lisa opened up the cabinet up there for you. There is no additional power by the bed. Closets behind Lisa there. Got some nice robes in there. Plenty of space for hanging and for your luggage. Nice mirror. Hey, everybody. Let's go check out the bathroom. As you see, nice big bathroom, guys. Love the bathrooms on this ship. Toilet, and it's a great place for someone my height at 6'4". Also plenty of width, so that is great for the tall and fluffy. Nice vessel sink, huge mirror, power, cubbies. You also have some drawers. The shower is this sort of elongated corner shower, so you have a little bit more room than typical corner showers with the glass enclosure. So there you go. There is your prime veranda. Let us know what you think. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao!